I just reorganized my drawings, and this video is one part of the 3 videos that show 3 different binders I used to file my tiles. The first of the 3 binders is a collection of different drawings that I created throughout the previous years. I have been drawing for almost 10 years, so there are thousands of drawings created during that period. When I decided to go through some of them, I decided to apply the Marie Kondo method. So I asked myself which were the ones that sparked joy. It was my first filter when I started to go through the drawings with an intention to find a filing system that would work for me. Most of these drawings are not a part of my previous video on demand or Tangle Lab projects. However, many have served as inspiration for some of my classes, and perhaps some of them will inspire me for some future workshops. I hope that these videos might inspire some of you to apply a similar method to file your own drawings. Those drawings that did not spark joy found their place tucked safely in a box that I will revisit from time to time.